Someone was asking me about this Arlo Park song, Too Good. And so they were asking about syncopated strumming. Basically, the syncopated strumming means you keep your hand going, but I'm lightly resting my hands on the strings. And then when I want to hear the sound from my guitar, then I push down. So like here I'm playing a C minor 7 on the top 4 strings. Okay, so I'm not pushing down the entire time. I'm like, so if I slow it way down, you could play it like this. Then we're going to go to 3rd fret. 6th fret. 6-1. This is how I think they're playing it. 8, 7. That's the rhythm. And then you just come on up. So you're really only hitting 4 chords, but you're doing it with your left hand. That's why, I would just practice like not playing strings 6 or 5. I'm just playing D3. This bar shape allows you to concentrate on your strumming. You should be able to do it slowly. Something you gotta practice and get a feel for. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for that question.